KZN and rallies behind Mthimkhuzisi and Idilsa. Durban, Durbanites, including the mayor of South Africa's First Lady, are rallying behind 25-year-old Mthimkhuzisi Ndaba to win season 13 of Idilsa. Ndaba is among the top 3 finalists, along with Cape Town's Paxton Feelies and Pretoria's Bodlale Fora. The trio spent this week in London, where they recorded their debut singles, which will be performed tonight. Ndaba recorded Massive Hand, Let's Love Each Other, Fora recorded Good Enough and Feelies recorded Demonstrate. The KwaMashu-born singer won the hearts of many during his audition. After securing a golden ticket earlier in the talent contest, Ndaba returned home and during a robbery was shot in the legs. Former Gagasi FM radio DJ and producer Jacinta Ngobis has been leading a campaign to secure votes for Ndaba by supplying airtime to his fans. We bought airtime for our 11500. We received sponsorships from people like local businessman Saib Mulumbath among others. We invited people to different venues and provided them with airtime so they could vote for him, Ngobis said. Motorcades were also used to create hype around Ndaba. I have never met Mthimkhuzisi, Ngobis said. I am doing all of this from the heart because he is from my hometown. His musical talent is amazing and we wish him all the best. For the finals next Sunday, there was a plan to erect a big screen in KwaMashu. Ndaba has been through many challenges in his life, having lost all his family members including his newborn baby. He told the Sunday Tribune last month that he planned to release his album The Book detailing his life's pains and his idol's journey. The book would be titled Pain and Fame. Bishop Nicholas Mzimla from the KwaMashu Christian Center said the congregation was proud of Ndaba, who had been a member of the church for 10 years. He loved music and asked to join the church choir, Mzimla said. He has really done well in the competition and we are supporting him to the end. First Lady Toke Madiba Zuma Dithekwini Mayors and Aldmead are also backing Ndaba. Madiba Zuma remembers the performance that left her in tears when Ndaba performed Gerald Levert's I Was Made to Love You. While he may be young, he has a will of steel, she said. Mthimkhuzisi has not only gone through a rough patch in life, he has seen it all. I remember when they had to dedicate their song choice to their loved ones who had passed on. Mthimkhuzisi dedicated his song to not just one, but 11 of his late family members. When he sang that song, I was in tears, recalled Madiba Zuma. She said Ndaba was a winner, no matter what happened from here. The city's first citizen urged Durbanites to back Ndaba. I encourage all Durbanites and South Africans to vote in their numbers. Whatever the outcome, we are proud of him and in our hearts, he is already a hero and is destined for greatness, said Gmead.